Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Anker Power Strip Surge Protector with USB, 6-foot extension cord, flat plug, power extend USB, and 6 outlets with 3 USB ports, compact for travel, home, and office. Anker is definitely top rated for many of their devices. Really like Anker and have covered multiple of their devices as well. A little bit of a disclaimer before we get started into the video. This video is sponsored by absolutely no one, so it'd be greatly appreciated if you guys hit the subscribe button, give me a like on this video, and also comment down below, let me know what you guys think about today's video. Let's go ahead and get into the video though, open up the box and take a look at exactly what we got here. First of all, it looks very sleek, definitely compact, and I like how it's got the rubber grips right there to make sure that it stays fixated on in the position that you place it on your tabletop or wherever you decide to. And definitely looks really cool, very sleek design. Has the 6 outlets and they're spaced further apart. You can put one right here, one right here, one right here, instead of having them beside each other necessarily if you have a big block and then a smaller one. And also have the 3 USB ports as well. Very cool to have this. This surge protector actually comes with 7-point safety system, has over voltage protection, fire resistance, over temperature protection, over current protection, overload protection, grounded protection, short circuit protection, and that is all 7 right there. Designed with a low profile 45-degree flat plug which fits easily into hard to reach outlets tucked away behind your bed, sofa, or other furniture. It's also flexible for a reason. The 6-foot power cord is extra flexible to offer greater maneuverability and simpler storage. Comes with an adhesive pad so you can securely attach the power strip to smooth, dust-free surfaces. Really cool, so keep that in mind as well. Another great thing about this device is that it has advanced charging technology which delivers an optimized charge to USB devices using Anker's world-renowned Power IQ charging technology, which is fantastic. I have multiple power banks from Anker that also have the Power IQ technology, and it is extremely fast, super fast charging technology that always has my devices up and running very quickly. Everything from my drone to my phone definitely has been charged by my Power Core 3 wireless charger. And if you guys haven't seen the video for that, I've also done an unboxing of that if you guys want to check it out. But it's time to wrap up today's video. If you guys like this video, be sure to press the like button. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about this Anker Power Surge Protector. And also, drop me a subscribe if you would as well. Thank you again, and as always, keep it real. Another great thing about it is that it has advanced charging technology and delivers an optimized charge to USB devices. Another great thing about this product is that it delivers advanced charging technology. It delivers an optimized charge. Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. I'm just tired of saying the same thing. Oh shoot. Another great thing about this device is that hold on though, don't laugh now. I gotta hurry up and get this done.